In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT on a QuickBooks invoice. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks online account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the New button, usually shown as Plus New, and click it. From the menu that appears, select Invoice to open a new invoice form. Next, choose the customer you want to bill. If the customer already exists in your records, simply select them from the list. If not, you can create a new customer directly from the invoice screen. This helps keep your billing organized and makes future invoices faster to prepare. After that, enter the invoice date and set the payment terms. The invoice date shows when the invoice is being issued, and the payment terms tell the customer when payment is due. Taking a moment to confirm these details now can help avoid confusion later. Now you're ready to add the products or services you want to bill for. Fill in each line item carefully, including the description, quantity, rate, or amount, depending on how your invoice is set up. Make sure each item reflects exactly what you're charging the customer for. Once your line items are entered, review the VAT column for each one. This is where QuickBooks lets you apply the correct VAT treatment to every product or service. It's important to check each line individually, because different items may require different VAT rates depending on how your business and tax settings are configured. From the VAT drop-down menu, choose the appropriate VAT rate for that specific item. Be careful to select the correct rate, since this directly affects the tax amount your customer will see and the totals recorded in your books. If your invoice includes more than one product or service, repeat the same process for every additional line item. Go through each entry and confirm that the VAT setting is correct before moving on. When everything has been added, verify that the VAT amount and the final invoice total have been calculated correctly. This is a good final check to make sure the invoice looks accurate and professional before it goes out. Once you're satisfied, click Save if you want to keep the invoice for later, Save and Send if you're ready to email it, or Review and Send if you want to preview it first. And that's it. Thanks for watching.